Kenzie, you haven't caught anything. I've caught the smallmouth and a largemouth. So what's up, guys? It's Mr. Hawaiian here. So we're down here fishing at a really good spot, actually. I just pulled up a smallmouth and I had pulled up a largemouth on the other side, but I was not recording, unfortunately. So I'm hoping I can maybe get something else. There were some big gar jumping over here last time we were out here, but yeah, they're not here this time. They were right over here to the left right here. But I'm hoping I can pull another one up over here for you guys. Ooh. It's messed up again, of course. All right, I will be back when... Okay, I just caught something I have never seen before. What? Guys, okay, so I thought I was stuck, but I actually just caught a fish reeling in. I have never seen this fish before. Hey, grab the pliers. Come here, grab the pliers, because I don't know. I really do. Yeah, those red ones are still there. So guys, if you can see this, I don't know what kind of fish this is. I have never seen this fish before. It is a new species for me. It's got black stripes on its back.
It's so cute.
I don't know how I snagged it though, guys. And I mean, I snagged it good, but
take your phone.
I do not know what kind of fish this is. It's really weird. So I am gonna take a quick picture of it.
It looks like a purple fish.
But actually, let's just do it this way.
Put it on the ground.
Oh no, because I don't want it to flip around and get hurt. I have never seen this fish before, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and release him though. But oh, he swam off really. Oh, is he dying because of how the hook went in him?
He's spinning in circles.
Yeah, but he might be dying because how the hook went in him. Man, that makes me feel bad, guys, because I didn't even try to hook him. I was just reeling in. I thought my hook was messed up on the line, but it happened to be I had that little guy on there. So this was first catch on video, guys. I don't know what it was, but hey, watch your...
A puffer fish.
It did kind of look like a puffer fish. I don't know what it's called though. But hey, we'll keep trying. Kenzie's gonna keep trying for some crappie. If you catch something, let me know. Oh, there's another. Yeah. Woo, there we go, guys. That's a smallmouth right there. Yeah. Well, yeah.
Did you snag it?
No, I got him in the mouth right there. See?
Oh,
right in the corner of the mouth, and then the back hook went into his side.
Oh, ouch. Sorry, bud.
Oh, shit. I just hooked him again in the gill. Okay, no. Grab. Yeah, hold that like that for me. There we go, guys. Can you guys see that beautiful little smallie? Man, fourth fish already today. We've been out here for what? 30 minutes,
Not
maybe?
even. I got bit by a bug bite. That's
So did
about
I.
it.
Right here.
Holy crap. His bug bite's like this big.
Man, 3 fish already. I like this bait, guys. This is a new bait for me. I have never used this bait. I just opened the package today, actually. And I've got two smallmouths and a largemouth on it already. Man, this is freaking awesome already. Slaying them today, guys. We slaying them. My hook sets really aren't even that good, guys, so I'm getting pretty lucky. That hook set, I mean, you guys seen, I don't know if you guys could see how close to out of its mouth it was. Some of these I can't even tell that it's a fish bite. It's a fish or... Hey, Kenzie finally got onto something. Let's go see what that was. Run over to her and see. It looks, from here, it looks like a pumpkin seed. Yeah, if you guys can see that, it's a tiny little pumpkin seed. So, little pumpkin seed crappie, sunfish, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna cast over here a couple times, guys. I know, I just caught, I messed up on my cast, guys. Of course I did.
Oh, I'm feeding a fish.
All right, there we go. Hold on, I've got my line out there.
This one's scaring me because it keeps closing its mouth trying to eat the
You know what I taught you? Run your hand down the side. Hold the hook down here so it doesn't jump around on you. Now run your hand down the side.
Oh, I don't want to touch.
Run your hand down the side, babe.
Yeah, but he has pokies.
You're fine. All of them have pokies. Close your hand. Squeeze. There. And that hook, simple to come out. Just don't hook me. I'm not kissing it. It's your fish. It's your first fish. You have to kiss your first fish.
I'm good.
I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, got one. Told you it was this bait. Holy crap. I'm pretty sure this is a big rock bass. Hold on, I gotta get the hook out. His hook's in the hook's in the bottom lip. Oh, he's been caught a few times too. His lip's destroyed. That's a big rock bass though. Look at it.
Yeah.
That's a big rock bass. Told you guys right there. That bait is a killer. I don't know. I mean, yeah, but I don't think it was this big. That bait is a killer. Yeah, guys, if you can see his lip right there, he's been caught a few times. I'm glad I hooked him in his bottom lip because he would have got free if I didn't. Come on back, buddy. I got another one. Oh, this is a good fish. Holy crap. Hold on, Mom. Holy crap. Woo! That is a good fish. Holy crap. Holy crap, that was a good freaking fish. All right. All right, love you too. Bye. Holy crap. Woo! Oh, that's a good one.
You want me to take a picture?
Yeah, let's go. Yes. Let's go. That bait is a... Oh, there's something. Oh, did it let go? No, there's something, there's something. I got something. Holy crap, it's big. It's big. Holy crap, holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, I think I snagged this big ass gar. Holy shit. I think I snagged this big ass gar, guys. Just reel in. Let it fight, let it fight. Holy shit, this is a big gar. Yeah, I snagged his tail, look. If he wants to fight, I'm gonna let him fight. Oh. Oh my. Come on. Nope, nope, nope. Let him fight, let him fight. Let him fight, let him fight, let him fight. Woo! Yeah, see that right there? I don't know if you guys can see him. It's a big gar though. Holy crap. He's gonna fight, he's gonna fight. Yep, 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 there he goes, there he goes. He's running, he's running. Got him by the tail, guys. I don't know how I did that. He's running again, he's running again. Let him get tired out. Oh crap. He's running. I don't want to get bit by this thing either, guys. These guys are freaking sharp ass teeth. I don't have a net either. Whew, he's putting up a fight. I don't want to break off. Now you guys see that? If it breaks off, you guys see what I got. I really don't want to break off because I don't want to leave a hook in him. Man. Man, this gar, guys. They put up fights. God damn. Holy crap. I haven't ever fought a gar that fought this hard. It's hurting. Oh, this fish, guys. I'll tighten my drag, see if I can't pull him up. Got him. Holy crap, that's the biggest gar I've caught.